The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor from Qualcomm is significantly overclocked for the Galaxy edition of the S24 and S24 Plus models, while the Exynos 2400 chip is used in the S24 Ultra. It's important to note that all three phones are on pre-release software, so their ratings will probably be different from those of the consumer-ready models. Still, we get a good look at the new Samsung chipset's capabilities and how it compares to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In both the single-core and multi-core results, Geekbench 6 CPU test shows a modest advantage for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Things turned in favor of the Exynos 2400 during the GPU test, when both the S24 and S24 Plus beat over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Equid S24 Ultra. The difference in the single-core category is minimal, while the multi-core result shows a tiny advantage for the Qualcomm processor. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside the S24 Ultra wins the Antutu tests, although there is still not much of a difference between the two CPUs. The Exynos-powered S24 and S24 Plus models clearly win the 3D Mark Solar-based stress test, which also includes ray tracing. Although the Exynos devices ran the tests with better stability, the raw performance of the Exynos 2400 processor is only slightly slower than Qualcomm's best-in-class Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. The Samsung-made chip performed marginally better in thermal management. The S24 Ultra takes a slight win on the Wildlife Extreme test event. This shows how far Samsung has improved the design and performance of Exynos processors, and how its flagship Exynos 2400 CPU is now almost as good as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Although it's important to note that all three phones are running pre-release software, Samsung has done a fantastic job with the Exynos variation, which may persuade some Galaxy customers to choose a less expensive model like the vanilla S24. When I tried switching between many programs quickly, it seemed really fast, and it could even handle ray tracing effects in games that supported it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.